Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Precision. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Precision won't turn on, it can be frustrating and worrying. This issue can occur for several reasons, including a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Gently turn your Dell Precision over and locate the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws, placing them in a safe location for reassembly. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once open, visually inspect for any obvious signs of damage, particularly on the power supply and battery. If you suspect the power supply is faulty, trace the cables back to the connection point on the motherboard. Disconnect any cables gently, ensuring you do not pull too hard on them. If you find that the power supply is indeed the issue, carefully remove it, noting its orientation and how it connects to the motherboard. Replace it with a new power supply, ensuring it is seated correctly and connect the cables securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight, to avoid stripping them. Finally, plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your device is kept in a clean, dry environment and avoid overloading power outlets. Regularly check your power supply and battery health as well. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.